Is it recording? Okay. So hey there everyone, and as always, welcome to the channel and thanks for stopping by and hanging out for a few. My name is Rich Charpentier, I'm the channel host, and today we're doing something a little different, so you just kind of see my screen right there and I'm down in the corner. I'm not recording in the usual way that I do. So usually I use a program called iShowU, but today I'm actually using a program called OBS. This is for doing live streaming. You can also save to your desktop or anywhere on your hard drive, but I really do want to start doing some live streams, so I'm testing things out. So I've got this little webcam that I've had for a couple of years, and not the greatest quality on here on screen, but this is more for when we're doing something on screen, working through things, and having a live stream. I'm just gonna pull the OBS window over really quick so you can see it. Whoa, that's crazy, window in a window. Let me pull that back. So OBS is running the recording for me and you can do a lot with it. I'm not an expert on it and so I'm still learning. So later today, I've got some work to do for myself and I was thinking, hey, I'd like to live stream some of this. So first I'm doing this little test here to see what I think about OBS and to learn a little more about it. And then later on, we might do some testing. So I'm pulling up another screen here. So there we go. This is azdrone.net. And as a small business owner, I'm going to tell you one of the number one things that you neglect while you're running your business. The number one thing for me is updating my own information, updating my personal website on a regular basis. When someone comes to you and has a check in hand for you to go do a job, you pay attention to that. On those off days when you don't have that check in hand, you should be taking some time to update your website, update your online marketing, be able to reach more people. Now, azdrone.net does a good job of pulling in a lot of people every day. So, for what it is. So it's not an Amazon. There aren't as many people looking for drone work. So I'm never going to have as many searches to the website coming through that an Amazon would have. But, when you get a regular inflow of people and you get client leads and you get new clients off the website, you should really pay attention to your online marketing. It's doing something for you. So later today, I'm going to be doing a little work. I have a couple ideas for azdrone.net. And while I'm doing it, I was thinking, hey, maybe I'll live stream. So, no net. So I can't edit things. And I'm going to wrap this video up real quick. So this is just me letting you know that I'm probably going to be trying a live stream later. I also wanted to show you, given all the really depressing stuff in the news lately, it's getting a little strange out there. I think we all know that. And I hope everybody calms down and we'll all get through this. But so, let's take a look at something nice, shall we? The other week I had mentioned on this site that I was doing some work for a local business, Born to be Wild. And so I'm going to pop this up and hopefully, whoa, there I go again. The volume is turned way up. I do apologize for that. Let's pause this because you haven't even seen it yet. I'm just pulling this screen over and we'll talk about this. So this was a very simple video for a client, Born to be Wild kayaking. And I just wanted to show you through the video really quick. So something happy to think of, some beautiful scenery. And I did have the client actually over here in the office to go through the edits with me, pick the clips they wanted, and pick the audio file they wanted. So we actually sat down together and we figured out the fonts and everything for the different text blocks. So we did this exactly how she wanted. And that's one of the things that we do offer with our clients is if they have particular edits, if they have particular projects, we're very happy to sit down with them and customize it to their needs. So her particular service, if you come to the Prescott area and you want to paddle on one of the lakes, so Goldwater, Watson, and Willow, they'll actually deliver a kayak to you with the paddles and the life vests and everything. So, so you don't have to own a kayak to get out on the water. Now, I've got my own kayak, as a matter of fact, and it is a lot of fun to head out into the Granite Dells because there are actually little canyons you can paddle into and little coves, and so it's a very interesting experience on the water. And I think her business idea is fantastic. She's been doing it for a couple of years. On-demand kayak delivery. that should be spread to other places. I'm sure it is. But so we sat down, we went through the videos, we talked about exactly what they wanted, and we also got to experience a couple of kayakers who weren't very good at steering, a lot. So we had to clip a lot of scenes where one particular kayak kept paddling into other people. So that was pretty funny. But yeah, if you come up to Prescott, definitely check out Watson Willow, Granite Mountain. There's so many different beautiful places here. So this video and doing the work with Mariah, who's the owner, was a lot of fun because I do love showing off, what's going on in Prescott and what an awesome place it is. So I thought I'd share a little of that with you before we close this out. And I hope you all have a great start to the week. And, if you have to, turn the news off. That's what I do often because you can only hear so much of that stuff. But I'm sure things will improve in time. And in the meantime, just do the right things, right? Or get out on a lake and go kayaking. I don't know, fresh, clean air out there. I think I need to go take a walk soon. All right, everybody. If I do put up a live stream, it's going to be the first live, truly live stream. I might do a little more testing today, but I really would like to talk to you further about, making sure that your advertising and your online marketing are working for you and that you don't forget to update your websites with new info, just like I need to do. And that's why we're going to try the live stream. All right, we'll see you at the end of that video there. And maybe we'll see you again a little later today or tomorrow.